Iran has said it has begun attacking key sites across the Gulf region in retaliation for airstrikes on its South Pars refinery. The attack on the world's largest natural gas field triggered another rise in oil prices today. Iran has also confirmed its intelligence minister, Ismail Khatib, had been killed in an overnight Israeli strike, the third senior regime figure to be assassinated in 2 days.
Another apparent escalation in this regional war. Today's attack on Iran's South Pars energy refinery marks the first reported strikes targeting the regime's fossil fuel production. South Pars is part of the world's largest natural gas field, and news of its assault triggered another rise in oil prices. It also prompted a furious response from Tehran.
This is a firm warning to those responsible. The fuel, energy and gas facilities at the source of the attack will be set ablaze and reduced to ashes at the earliest opportunity.
Israel and Saudi Arabia were among several countries targeted by Iran last night. In Tehran, another display of defiance. This morning, thousands of regime supporters gathered for the funerals of the latest leaders assassinated by the US and Israel. A growing list that now includes the country's intelligence minister, Ismail Khatib, the third powerful regime figure to be killed within 2 days. Israel has confirmed it was responsible for his killing and has vowed to continue its military campaign in Iran and in Lebanon. It targeted several high-rise buildings in Beirut early this morning, in what was one of the most intense attacks on the capital's city centre in decades. Israel claims it is targeting Hezbollah infrastructure, but Lebanese authorities say civilians are once again among the dead. Kate Farley, RTÉ News.